We have so many Disney ornaments that we're making our very first Disney Christmas tree. So come with us as we decorate. Enjoy. I love seeing all these ornaments. We have one that goes all the way back, I think, to 2005, which was the second year that Phil and I were dating. Okay, then we'll put the Disney ornaments on it.
What about the other one? It's
All the
Snow
Disney
White.
ones.
Snow White. Rub. It's Snow White.
To find a good sturdy branch for this one.
Where the glisten.
Oh, that's
My favorite one.
That's your favorite one? Okay, go ahead. Beautiful. Do you remember this one, Landon? Our first solo trip together, Pop Century. I think this is our oldest ornament, Landon. Disney's Yacht Club in 2005. Wow, that was 13 years before you were born. That crazy?
Yeah.
When did we... That was a year after we first started going, you and I.
Yeah.
It was the first year we started going to Disney together. That is from a ride called Maelstrom before Frozen ride. Lana and I stayed at Coronado together. Oh, that's a good one. How do you set the sensor off?
Oh, it's so cute.
Merry Christmas!
Deck the halls with boughs of holly.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.